Okay, so anyway, stay with me. So last night I was feeling kind of blue. So a friend that I made here from Germany, we decided to go down to the historical center of Guadalajara, which is beautiful at night. I mean, just like really stunning. They have lights everywhere and it's kind of festive and you just feel free. And so we did that. I took my trauma and put it in my pocket for just a couple hours. And then this morning I went to the U.S. Embassy or consul. I don't know what it's called. But I went there and I made an appointment and I spoke to an American government worker and a Mexican woman. And I have a lot of work to do. I have a whole bunch of work to do to pursue this case. And I started off by going to the doctors, a doctor that spoke English, which was in itself kind of useless, but whatever. But before I went to the doctors, I went to this wonderful little coffee shop that kind of reminded me of home. Seriously? Wow. Okay, so anyway, stay with me. I went to this little coffee shop and it kind of reminded me of home. It was just funky chic, recycled items used as furniture, and the best coffee I've had in Mexico so far. The best iced latte I've had so far. I'll tell you about iced lattes in Mexico some other time. They put 1 cube of ice in it. But anyway, and a beautiful, beautiful fruit lunch. It was fabulous. All right, let's get to the pictures, okay? Ciao.